God bless you with good health. Keep smiling always. Lots of love. Keep inspiring us. Take care. Love you. Bye-bye.
Myself, Mamta, first batch student. Wish you a happy birthday to a highly respected, strong, confident, smart, with a caring heart, Rose Shashikala ma'am. You are a great source of all of us to learn lot of things, especially in practical field. You was encouraged and you was supportive to give our best. I pray to God to keep in the best of health. Thanking you, ma'am. Once again, wish you a happy birthday, ma'am.
Wishing you a very happy 70th birthday. Let the upcoming year be filled with abundant health, wealth, and joy in your life. You have been a source of inspiration right through my childhood. Your guidance and support has molded me into a confident person that I am today. Wishing you the very best always. Narendra, you are first batch.
Any happy returns of the day, ma'am. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Shashikala Miss.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Ashwini here. How are you? I hope you remember me. I'm your first batch student. I proudly say my school name is Karmal Jyoti Public School. A wonderful principal deserves the most wonderful celebration today. Happy birthday to you, ma'am. I wish that you be blessed with all the happiness, good luck, and prosperity. And once again, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Principal Ma'am. Happy birthday to you. And I proudly say, because of you, I'm also doing the same practice. Proudly say I'm a teacher. Thank you so much for your guidance, ma'am. Happy birthday once again, ma'am. Have a nice, wonderful day. And I want to thank Aisha ma'am for giving the opportunity of wishing you. Thank you, Aisha ma'am. Bye. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Hope you remember me. Ramya. How are you, ma'am? Many, many happy returns of the day. We feel very proud because we were your pet students. I'll never forget my childhood which we spent in Karmal Jyoti, ma'am. You are our inspired woman, teacher, everything, ma'am. Once again, many, many happy returns of the day. Have a nice day, ma'am. See you soon.
Good morning, madam. Myself Nanjunda, your first batch student. I wish you many, many happy returns of the day, and I pray the God Almighty to give you a good health for your future. Thank you.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನರೇಶ್, ಕಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಏನಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿ ಬೆಳೆದು ಲೈಫ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಡೂಪರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಫಾರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಡೂಪರ್ ಅಕೇಶನ್. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಆ ದೇವರು ಇದೇ ಥರ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಲೈಫ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡಲಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ನಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೇ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಗಾಡ್. ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್, ವಿ ಲವ್ ಯು, ವಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಯು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಯು ಸೂನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೈನ್, ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ. Love you, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Hope you're doing good. Happy birthday to a very intelligent principal, Mrs. Rose Shashikala, ma'am. Ma'am, I just wanted to take this opportunity to tell you how grateful I am for all of your guidance during my time at your school. You truly are such a wise person and a great source of knowledge. I have learned so much from you. Let me share my school journey with you. My name is Shweta G and I completed my 10th in the year 2001. I completed my PU and degree in BMS College in Bangalore, and I worked as an HR coordinator in IBM and currently working as an IT help desk engineer in HB. You have played a vital role in my education and helping me achieve the position I am in today. You are innovative and your methods clearly seem to work, which I guess is why everybody holds you in such high regards. I want to express my sincere gratitude for the light you shed over the school day in, day out. You truly have been a guiding light in my educational journey so far. You made our school days the best that they could possibly be throughout our attendance at your school. And for that, we always be indebted to you and eternally grateful. I once again thank you and wishing you an enjoyable birthday this year, surrounded by all of your close friends and family. Thank you, ma'am. You have a good one. Take care. Love you. Bye.
Hello, ma'am. Happiest birthday, ma'am. This is Vidya Hecha, a second batch student of your school. You're the best teacher, an unparalleled mentor, an enthusiastic teacher, and a good visionary. You have played all the role with the utmost perfection. My school life and education would be utterly incomplete without your imparted knowledge and teaching. Please do motivate us and inspiring us as you always do. Happiest birthday, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello ma'am, this is Channakeshava from 2001 batch. Wishing you a very happy 70th birthday. I have a good lot of memories from Carmel Youth School ma'am. Currently I am settled in Sydney, Australia, working on a core banking software product. Thanks for all your support and guidance. Wishing you once again a very happy birthday ma'am. Take care.
Hi ma'am, this is Nishant here. Hope you remember me. Happy birthday. May this year be filled with love, laughter and good health. And I'm currently in Abu Dhabi working for Huawei. And thanks for all the support during the growing up days. We'll always cherish those moments I spent.
I'm Harini. Hope you remember me. And I'm very, very, very happy to share my experience with you. I'm proud to say I'm a student of Carmel Jyoti School. Ma'am, that is a school which has given me an opportunity and which has shown me a path. And because of our school, my communication skills have improved and my confidence is improved. Ma'am, a very happy birthday to you, ma'am. Wish you many more happy returns of the day. And I'm so happy for getting this golden opportunity to wish you personally. Once again, a very happy birthday, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, Kusuma here. How are you, ma'am? Happy birthday. A woman with beautiful soul and smile. Have a fabulous day ahead. Love you.
Hi, ma'am. This is Varsha. I was part of the 99-2000 batch of 7th standard, the 4th batch of CJS. I am an engineer currently working as a software developer in test with WebMD. Ma'am, you have left an everlasting impact on me. You revolutionized the education system here in Doddaballapur by introducing a well-rounded curriculum, and I owe it to you and the whole staff of CJS for my striving for excellence in everything I do, and also instilling appreciation of art in each one of us. I fondly remember your soft yet commanding voice like I sat in your class yesterday. Please know that you are loved and respected by your students the world over. Happy 70th birthday to you. Wishing you many, many years of health and happiness.
Hello Rose ma'am, I hope you remember me. I'm Arvind, one of your naughtiest student. I'm in Canada right now. I was able to achieve my dream as a pilot. Yes, I'm a pilot. I've become a pilot. And thank you so much for that. Your encouragement and your guidance was really helpful for who I am right now. And I'd like to wish you a happy birthday. Thank you so much for your love and support I have received when I was a kid. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
ಗುರುಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಶಶಿಕಲಾ ಪೋಪಲ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. Today I want to wish a happy birthday to someone who played a vital role in my education and helping me to achieve the position I am in today. In fact, that I wouldn't be where I am today in my professional life if it wasn't for you being responsible for my education at your school. You paved the path that led me where I am today, and for that I'll be forever grateful to you, ma'am. And this school wouldn't be what it is today without you and late Mr. Victor Kopil sir. I'll miss a lot Mr. Victor Kopil sir, and you're always our family. Wish you a very, very happy birthday, ma'am.
Shashikala ma'am, wishing you a very happy birthday. This is Mala from 5th batch of your school. He is my son Monish Gowda.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
God bless you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Namaste, madam. Wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with many more years of good health and strength so that you continue doing what you do the best. Nurturing, encouraging, mentoring, and inspiring young minds. Once again, happy birthday, ma'am, and many more happy returns of the day.
Greetings to you. Happiest birthday. I hope you are at your best health. This is Javeria. Today I am Dr. Javeria Anwar, certified practitioner of aesthetic dentistry and implantology. And I can proudly say that because of one lady who inspired me then, has always been inspiring me, and that is my school principal, Mrs. Rose Shashikala ma'am. For me, she is an amazing principal. You are amazing principal, unparalleled mentor, and a visionary. They say sometimes in life there are few people who walk in and they become your role models. And for me, even before my mother, if there was a lady I really looked up to, was my school principal. Amazing personality, a lady who walked in the male society like a boss, and that really even today inspires me. Thank you for giving me that confidence that I had something in me which probably even my parents understood pretty much later, but you understood it before anybody else, and that has sailed me through whatever I am today. When somebody praises somebody, wants to count on, I would say that I owe it to my school. Ma'am, you have been an amazing mentor. You have inspired a lot of girls. You have no idea about it. One is me. I just pray to God that you are at your best health always, live longer, and keep inspiring a lot more girls like me. Happiest birthday, ma'am. I would also want to say a special thank you to Noor Aisha ma'am for giving me this opportunity today, so that I can express few things probably I would not have. And today I would tell that anytime in future that my school, my principal, my teachers require me, I'm always there for them. Happiest birthday.
Hi, ma'am. Hope you remember me. I wish you many more happy returns of the day. Stay blessed and happy. You have just proved that age is just a number, ma'am. Have a fantastic year.
Shashi ma'am, hope you remember me. I just want to say, like a candle which burned itself to spread light, you made everything to make our life blossom. Thank you for guiding us, thank you for supporting us, and thank you for everything you did for us. Here's I wish you a very happy birthday. Stay healthy and hope we meet up.
Hi, ma'am. I know you still remember me. This is B. Shweta CV. You always used to call me CV. I wish you a very happy birthday to you. Many, many happy returns of the day. God bless you forever and ever. I still miss my childhood and my school days. Nita miss, Nima miss, everyone I miss. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Ma'am, wish you a very happy birthday to you, ma'am.
Happy long life, Miss Shashikala. Thank you so much for the wonderful foundation you have given. With lots of love, Nikita.
Hello ma'am, I'm Taranum Firdos from 2004 to 2005 batch. Wishing you a warm sunshine and bright smiles on your special day. Having a principal like you is surely a blessing to our school. You are kind and considerate, supportive and firm in your instructions, inspiring and encouraging. These are just a few reasons. I'm convinced that you are the best principal in the world. Thank you, ma'am, for all your support, love and care towards your students. May God bless you with all your efforts and make your birthday an entire life special. Once again, wish you a very happy birthday, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Wish you a happy birthday.
Ajji, stay blessed. You happy birthday, Ajji. Stay blessed.
ಮಾತಾಡ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡು.
ಹಾಯ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಪ್ರೀತಮ್ KV 0506 ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಹಳೆಯ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟು. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಗೆ ನಾಯಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ರೋಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದಾ ಈ ಗಾರ್ಡನಲ್ಲಿ? ಇದು ರೋಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಣ. ರೋಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಒಂದು ರೋಸ್ ಕೊಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಟಾಮಿ ರೈಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನಮ್ಮ ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಗೆ ನಾಯಿ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಕಣ. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೆ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡುವ. ಉಗುರು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ಶರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಶೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಬೈತಾರೆ. ನೀವೇ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಮೇಡಮ್. 70 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, 170 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಿ ಬದುಕಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒದ್ದು ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Hi ma'am, how are you? Many more happy returns of the day ma'am.
Hi ma'am, hope you remember me. This is Shweta S from 2004-5 batch. Happy birthday to you. Lot of respect and love from bottom of my heart. God bless you with lot of health, happiness and stay blessed ma'am. Bye.
Very happy birthday ma'am. Let me introduce myself. This is Amrit Petkar and I'm proud to be a student of Karmal Jyoti School. They say the school is a temple of knowledge and lays a Herculean foundation in one's life, which I totally agree with it. The school under your guidance not only educated us but indeed made a better human and a good citizen of the society by inculcating discipline as a part and parcel of life along with morals and values. A man's success and character depends upon how good the foundation was. And as a matter of fact, if I say I'm successful, credit goes to the school. I am a budding dentist and I'm happy to be a part of Karmal Jyoti School. Wish you lots of strength and happiness ma'am, and thank you for molding us into a wonderful person. Thank you ma'am.
Hi ma'am, how are you? Hope you're doing too good. Ma'am, I'm Ramya, hope you remember me. Ma'am, I'm so blessed and I feel so proud to say that I was a student of yours. Ma'am, on this special day, I wish you a healthy and a peaceful life ahead, ma'am. Many, many happy returns of the day. Thank you for everything, ma'am.
Hi ma'am, Nischal here. I hope you remember me. I want to wish you a very, very happy birthday and I hope the coming year brings you lots of good health and success. And I would also like to thank you for your role in my development as a person, as a human being, and whatever I am today is because of you. And I'm currently working as a medical advisor for Abbott in Mumbai. Dr. Nischal signing off. Happy birthday ma'am.
Hi Shashikala ma'am, hope you're doing good. Actually I'm very happy to be talking to you right now because you are the leader that we all used to look up to in all of our school times or all of our childhood times. And okay, let me introduce myself. I'm Naveen. I'm 2006 batch. Right now I work as a tech research lead at Accenture, and my life has been good so far. If I were to talk about my journey towards life or to whatever I am today, has been only possible because of a strong foundation that we had in school. And thank you very much for that. And let me show you something. There are some. This is my work table. There are some of the medals there and some of the trophies above. So 70% of the medals are from Karmal Jyoti, and I feel very good at this point to tell you that some of the medals have been honored by you. And thank you for everything that you have done, and thank you for the strong foundation, good quality education, and you have been an inspiration to a lot of people, personally to me as well, for whatever you have done in life. Happy 70th birthday. Keep smiling, keep inspiring. Cheers.
Hi ma'am, this is Surya. Hope you remember me. I'm working in Gallagher as an underwriting manager. I just want to say thank you for all your guidance and advice. Wishing you a very happy 70th birthday. May you be blessed with many more years of life. Take care. Bye.
Hello ma'am, this is Iram here. I have been your student for almost 10 years, from 96 to 2006. That's pretty long time back. But yeah, whatever I have learned there has laid a very strong foundation to what I have become today. And I have completed my MBBS, and right now I'm doing my specialization in surgery. I'm in Bangalore. The kudos goes to you. Thanks a million, ma'am. Wishing you a beautiful day with good health and happiness forever. Happy birthday, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Hope you're doing good. You're a very special and inspiring person who captivates everyone around you. And I wish this day with full of positivity. Happy 70th.
Hi ma'am, Prajwala here. Hope you remember me. I'm so happy for making this video for you. I'm so thankful to you for what all you taught in school. Karmal Jyoti School is not only education. I learned discipline and good behaviors. There is no good schools without a good principal. That is you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Many happy returns of the day, ma'am.
Anusha here. Hope you remember me. I would like to take this privilege wishing you happy birthday. I frequently remember my childhood days at school. What I have learnt there: discipline that is of advanced version, sincerity, courage, creativity, and superiority. These attributes made me as a professor today. Such sort of fine tuning is required for young birds under your guidance and style of leadership with our beloved teachers. Once again, wish you many more happy returns of the day with a great success ahead.
ಹಾಯ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ವಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಅ ಮೆನಿ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬ್ಲೋ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Hi ma'am, this is Shabrish from 2008 batch. Currently I am doing my residency in anesthesiology. Wish you many happy returns of the day. As they say, the leadership is a capacity to translate a vision into reality, which you have already done, and the result is our school, which is unique in its own way. Keep inspiring everyone as you always do, and stay healthy. God bless you.
School started with Karmal Jyoti, but my real journey started with your inspirational and motivational words. Thank you, ma'am, for providing the motivation in our life. Happy birthday, ma'am. This is
Vaishnavi from 2008 batch. Hope you remember me. I wish you a very happy birthday. Stay happy, stay healthy. Keep that beautiful smile on your face as always, which makes you even more beautiful. We are very glad to have you as our headmistress. Stay happy, ma'am. Happy birthday once again. Thank you.
Hello ma'am, Spurti here. Today I am here to wish you a very happy birthday and to thank you for all your support, guidance and teachings that made me a person that I am today. I did my engineering and today I am working as a technology specialist in an IT company, and this is all possible because of the wonderful disciplinary base that we got from you and all other beloved teachers of Karmal Jyoti School. Today I feel very proud to be your student, and I pray God to give you many such hundreds of years which will make you inspire thousands of students like me to be a better person in their life. Thank you for all the support, and I wish you a very wonderful happy birthday. And at the end, this is for you, ma'am. Naguta naguta bali neevu nuru varsha endu hige irali irali harsha harsha. Happy birthday, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Many more happy returns of the day. So on this auspicious day, I just wanted to tell you one thing. So we'll be visiting many schools and colleges nowadays, and always one thing comes to our mind is just a comparison between our school and the school which we are going or where we are working and all. So the quality of our school cannot be compared or cannot be matched with any other schools. So that's so better and so good about our school, and we are so proud and blessed to be the products of Karmal Jyoti, and may Lord give you all the happy years, all the colorful years, and strength to train many more students and to be a backbone and a huge support to the teaching faculty of our Karmal Jyoti School. And Thank you so much, and we love you. Thank you.
This is Ankita. I hope you remember me. So, I just want to take this opportunity to let you know that the presence of yours and the Kamal Jyoti school, which I spent for almost 10 years, has how it has impacted in my life, the values and the confidence which I learned from there, has a great impact in my life. So I just wanted to walk through those 10 years which I spent there, and let's go now. So to start with, so this is just a fine gallery which I've collected, which I spent for 10 years there. So this is the first one in UKG where I'm getting some prize. In behind, you could see that they are standing and calling out my name. Seems like now if I watch it, it's a very proud moment for me. So then comes here the other one. So if you see this right, like I could tell that from UKG to 10th, like every year, I have been on stage and I've received award, so with so many people. But I have one regret that I have not received any prize from you, on stage, wherein every year I was there, but I couldn't get it from you. So if you see here, right, my brother has received an award from you, and whenever I see this, I really regret that. Like, why shit, yeah, I didn't get one prize from you. That is one thing I have. So moving forward, then if you see, right, there were so many things which I've spent in almost 10 years there, which I really cherish every moment. I've spent those 10 years. So this is my classmates' photos where I just wanted to, recall those days, 10th standard. And if you see here, this is the time where, I got that president badge from the past, 10th passing out batch, who has hand over that president role to the next 10th one. So this is the one where I always see and I feel like I was so nervous that day, and I got that confidence from each of them, like each of the teachers who have supported me and pushed me to go there and present myself. So thank you to give me that opportunity and to make me so confident so that I can represent myself even like today, wherever I can keep my thoughts and what I'm thinking and what are my ideas, to go there without any fear and to talk about it. Like today I'm working in Infosys as technology analyst, so I can present my ideas without any hesitation, like in front of them with so much confidence. It's all because of the foundation which I got from Kamal Jyoti school. So thank you for that. And so I just wanted to let you know that you played a very important role in building my foundation to what I am today. So just wanted to thank you for that. And here I just want to wish you a very, very happy birthday, ma'am. God bless, full of happiness and health. I hope I meet you soon.
Hi, ma'am. Hope you recognize me with these spiny hairs. Most of my batchmates are working, and many of them are married and even have kids. But I'm still studying. I'm studying biology, but at micro level. Yeah, I'm pursuing PhD in microbiology at Indian Agricultural Research Institute, New Delhi. I've spent 10 years of my life in Kamal Jyoti. It was a wonderful journey. I really miss those days. More than what I've learned from books, it's the discipline what I've acquired from Kamal Jyoti is helping me everywhere. You're all great teachers. I'm really grateful and thankful to you all. Oh, it's your 70th birthday. I don't believe that you're 70. You still have the same charm. And I wish many more to come. A very happy birthday.
Hi ma'am. It takes big heart to teach little minds. Thanks for being one for us. We'll never forget the values and discipline you taught us throughout our life. Many more happy returns of the day, ma'am. From Gagana to
Hope you're doing good. More than teaching, you showed us how to be better and to believe in ourselves. So I wish you many more candles to be blown on your birthday cake. And this is a small message to tell you that we didn't forget you, we still remember you. Lots of love from 2010 batch. Happy many more returns of the day, ma'am.
ಹಾಯ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮನಿ ಮೋರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡೇ. ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇವ್ರಿಗೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟು 100 ವರ್ಷ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನಾನು ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ನ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಲೈಫ್ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ನಿಜ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಮೆನಿ ಮೋರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡೇ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. 100 ವರ್ಷ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
A very happy birthday. You have inspired several generations of students by your firm belief in ideals like discipline, determination, and perseverance. These are things that we have seen consistently in you, and we hope that you continue to inspire several more generations. One particular quality that I learned from you is paying attention to detail in whatever you do. We have seen this in you whenever you involve yourself in any activity. This is something that has helped me and everyone, I'm sure, to be where we are today. So thank you for everything and wish you a very happy birthday.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day. Whenever I recall my golden days, I always remember you the first, because you are the one who used to respect each and every student. Whenever it comes to me, you always listen, understand, and give me a suggestion how to overcome any problem I was facing. I was so blessed to have you as a teacher, ma'am. Thank you so much, and I wish you many more happy returns of the day, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Hope you're doing good. Happy birthday. We miss our school days.
Happy birthday, ma'am. I can only wish the best for the one who taught me so much. May God give you the strength to teach and mentor others as well as you taught us. I have always learned a lot from your teachings, and that is priceless. Ma'am, I am very thankful to you for being a part of my life. Ma'am, you are the teacher, one who cares with kindest heart and beautiful soul. I feel very grateful and fortunate to say that I have been a student of yours. Ma'am, may you have many more birthdays and many more years for spreading your wonderful wisdom. Once again, happy birthday, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm sure there wouldn't be any septuagenarian indications from you. Your energy, your spirit, and your glamour would have reached a new notch by now. Ma'am, as we both reflect on our education and all the wonderful teachers we have had, it is actually you and your team that stands out on our minds. Ma'am, back then we saw you as an imparter of the best education, and we actually feared you. But as years rolled by, we realized that it's not only the best education but also the best values and thoughts. With that, respect and affection erase the fear, and we feel that somewhere all these thoughts and values definitely influenced all the decisions we have taken in our lives. And therefore, ma'am, Mani man, we both thank you and Kamal Jyoti in every step we have taken in our life. Therefore, ma'am, thank you so much for being an inspiration, and thank you for being the wonderful teacher and also an official coach, and a special thanks for being excellent leader. For some reason I started seeing you as a leader, that too an exceptional one, because your presence infused positivity in Kamal Jyoti, and your presence made Kamal Jyoti to do more and learn more and also dream more. Ma'am, actually there's so much to share and so much to speak, and I wish and I hope that we could meet someday and share all the treasured memories and also do some learning. Ma'am, by now I hope that you recognize me, that this is Grishma. I did my BE and MBA and I'm working in Ernst & Young, and this is my brother.
I'm Ganesh and I'm in my final year of medicine at KIMS.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday again, ma'am.
Hi ma'am, happy 70th birthday to you. Myself Deepak from 2010-11 batch. I pray to God so He give you help so that you can teach more and more students. Once again, happy birthday to you, ma'am.
Hi, I'm Rakesh, 2011 batcher. Ma'am,
I wish you a very happy birthday first. And two things that I remember about Shashikala ma'am is discipline ಮತ್ತು ಸಿನ್ಸಿಯಾರಿಟಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ಸ್ನ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಐಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಹರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಅ ವೆರಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Many more happy returns of the day, ma'am. May God bless you.
Hello, ma'am. Happy birthday. May God bless you. Thank you so much for the wonderful childhood. Thank you so much for the guidance. Thank you for showing support in me. Thank you so much. May God bless you. May you live long. Thank you.
Hey ma'am, this is Sushma. I wish you a many happy returns of the day. Thank you for everything and you are a great teacher.
Namaste madam, I am your student Dr. Jayachandra. I am of batch 2012. At the onset, I extend my hearty wishes for your birthday. Wish you many happy returns of the day. ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಬ್ಬದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. I pray for your health and peace on this special occasion. You are a motivation for students through your hard work, love and discipline. You are creating a strong foundation for students to build up their lives. Today I stand as a budding doctor due to your care and school and blessings. I thank you many times for it. I believe that you will extend your warm wishes and blessing to all of us on your 70th birthday and guide us always. Please accept my namaskars. Thank you ma'am. Wish you many happy returns of the day again. Thank you.
Hi ma'am, I am Manasa C, studying in 10th standard, sister of Jayachandra Anna. Wishing you a very happy returns of the day. I am thanking you for guiding us always. Thank you ma'am.
I wish to celebrate many more such birthdays and help thousands of kids like me realize their dreams. I know our new building is coming up, so may God bless you with best health and great success regarding the building. I know it will be a phenomenal building, as things have always been with Karmal Jyoti. Everything will be excellent. So congratulations once again ma'am and a very happy birthday.
ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದೊಂಥರ ನಮಗೆ ಮನೆ ಅಂತಿತ್ತು. ನಾನು ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರಿ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಆಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಭಾಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಋಣ ಮುಗೀತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಈಗ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮದು, ಅದು ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಲೈವ್. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I scratch it out. You can see this. Yeah.
Happy returns of the day, ma'am. Though our presence is not there in the school today, but we always miss those days. I am Jansia, final year MBBS student in Subbaya Medical College, Shimoga. On this special day, we, your students, are praying for your good health and long life. Thank you for your valuable teaching and encouragement and the support which you have provided to us. Hope you all are taking good COVID precautions. Stay safe, stay healthy.
I'm Sumuki here. I'm from 13-14 batch. Now currently I'm working in a Reverie Language Technologies. Thank you for giving me such a strong foundation in my childhood. I wish you many more happy returns of the day. I wish that God bless you with more health and
Hello ma'am. First of all, I want to wish you a very happy birthday ma'am. Myself Karthik, doing my final year MBBS in Adichunchanagiri Medical College. In this special occasion, I have to tell you this ma'am. For everyone's career, foundation is the most important thing ma'am. And for me, Karmal Jyoti School has provided the best and better foundation I would have ever got ma'am. I would like to thank you in this special occasion ma'am.
Hello ma'am. Firstly, I wish you a very happy 70th birthday. Myself Rakshita M, studying 3rd year MBBS in Saptagiri Institute of Medical Science, Bangalore. I am proud to say that I am your student from 2002 to 2014. Thank you for guiding all of us. May your life filled with lots and lots of happiness, good health and prosperity. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Hello ma'am, I am Meghna, passed out from the school in the year 2014.
I have completed my graduation in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering last year. I recently started working as an IT analyst for Capgemini. I would like to take this precious moment to wish you a very warm happy birthday, ma'am. It's my pleasure to say that I was your student and you gave us all a very strong base for our lives. During school days, I've always looked at you in awe. Your dressing sense, you being soft spoken yet dynamic, your enthusiasm, everything inspired me. I hope you keep on inspiring more and more students like me. It's my pleasure and I'm so blessed to convey my hearty wishes to you. I wish you all the happiness, love. I hope you stay healthy and live longer. I wish you turn more beautiful day by day and more active. Happy birthday once again, ma'am. Have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hello, ma'am. It's been a while, like very much while. It's been almost 7 years since we left schooling. And firstly, wish you very happy birthday to you, ma'am. Like, it's been a roller coaster ride with you along and the institution. How can we forget that? Yeah. And your spectacular leadership, your dedication, the way you made our school disciplined in front of others, it was all amazing. Like, I'm just 23 and I've started and have some whiter stats. You hope you can observe. And you there, it's just a number for you. You're still young and energetic, and everyone knows that. Like, may you be showered with all the blessings, ma'am. May you take the institution way more up, and lots of success to you, ma'am. I love you, ma'am.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಮಿಥುನ್. ಗುರು ಎಂದರೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದೊಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿ. ಅಜ್ಞಾನದ ಕತ್ತಲೆಯನ್ನು ಕಳೆದು ಸುಜ್ಞಾನದೆಡೆಗೆ ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುವ ಶಬ್ದವೇ ಗುರು. ಈ ವಾಕ್ಯದ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ವೇದಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಷ್ ಶಶಿಕಲಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ರವರು ಅಜ್ಞಾನದ ಅರಿವನ್ನು ಅಳಿಸಿ ಸುಜ್ಞಾನವೆಂಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಷ್ ಶಶಿಕಲಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತಾ, ದೇವರು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಆಯುಷನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲೆಂದು ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾನು ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Hi ma'am, happy 70th birthday. 70 is just a number for you because you look stunning, you still look young. I'm so fortunate to be a student of Kamal Jyoti. You're so inspiring, you give us many tools which we have to face in the future. Once again, wish you many more happy returns of the day, ma'am.
Hello ma'am, this is Shahir Sharif, a graduate from 2014 and 15 batch. I hope you're doing well and good. First of all, I would like to wish you a very warm and happy birthday. And it was my pleasure to have you as my teacher and a great mentor during my school days. And currently, I am a civil engineer, proudly recruited by Tech Mahindra company. And also, I have been appointed as an intern at Teesside University, Middlesbrough, United Kingdom. Hopefully, I'll be flying this June. This is all a result just laid by a great foundation that is none other than Kamal Jyoti High School. And also, I am grateful for all the achievements I have achieved in my life, and the main reason for all this is my school. Thanks a lot for everything, ma'am. Once again, a very happy birthday, and say a big hi to your life ahead. And yeah, happy birthday, Susanna, ma'am. And yeah, I'm sending you lots of hugs and love.
This is Deepthi Bhavanikar from 2014-15 batch. I wish you a very happy birthday, ma'am. May the sunshine of your knowledge keep spreading the happiness on all the flat faces and you live longer. Once again, I wish you a very happy birthday, ma'am. Thank you.
Hi, ma'am. Wish you many more happy returns of the day. You are truly a woman worth looking up to. I'm very glad that I got the pleasure to study under your wings, to learn your wisdom and knowledge. May this day bring you a lot of love, joy, fun and health for all the very best you deserve. If those walls could really talk, that would be definitely for all your success and the position you are now. I'm very happy that I was a part of Kamal Jyoti. Thank you so much for everything what you have taught us and let us into this competitive world. Thank you so much. Once again, happy birthday, ma'am. Thank you.
ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಬದುಕಿನ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ದೀಪವಾದ ವಿದ್ಯಾಜ್ಯೋತಿಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೈನ್ಯತೆ, ದಕ್ಷತೆ, ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಷಮತೆ ಆದರ್ಶವಾದದ್ದು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬದುಕಿನ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿನ ಹೂಮಳೆಗಳು ಸದಾ ತುಂಬಿರಲಿ ಎಂದು ಆಶಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ವಿಧೇಯಿ ಗಾನವಿ ಜಿಎಂ.
Hi ma'am, I'm Seema. A very happy birthday and thank you so much for being a teacher, a very beautiful teacher in my life. And my journey of school start with the words, but in my real life, my journey started with your inspiration and motivation with your words. Thank you so much for being with me and providing the motivations in our life. And you are such an amazing soul where I've never saw in my life, and I still miss you, ma'am. I wish with all I have I have that someday I can measure up to you. You are an amazing, and I hope you have a very greatest birthday ever. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Thank you for being in my life from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, ma'am. A very happy birthday.
Very, very happy birthday, ma'am. I wish you many more healthy years ahead. You've been a great principal. The way we think, the way we speak, the way we appear, that organizing skill, that discipline, the way we put up ourselves, execution, everything reflects even now, ma'am. We've come out as disciplined students, and every time we get that recognition. Being from Dodbalapur, we never felt that we are lacking with anything. We had that standards of mentality and still have it and will maintain it. So we compete with everyone out there. The personality what we have today is just because of you, ma'am. I just can say thank you. Thank you for everything. Once again, a very, very happy birthday, ma'am. I wish good health and prosperities for you. Love you, ma'am.
Hi ma'am, wishing you many more happy returns of the day. I'm so glad I was lucky enough to have you as my principal. I appreciate the knowledge and wisdom you shared with us more than you know. May your amazing experience inspire others to do great things with their lives. When I look at you, I am impressed, comforted by your beauty. Cheers to another year of making your students the smartest people in this society. Once again, wishing you many more happy returns of the day, ma'am. Sending you lots of love.
A very happy birthday to you, ma'am. I'm Prakriti from 2017 batch. I'm currently doing MBBS. I'm really happy about how I spent 12 years of my life and the person I've become. I wouldn't have able to accomplish without you having me guided all the way. It was from you that I learned how biology actually worked. It was in high school that I figured out bio is what I was really interested in. And I don't know if I could have made that realization without you. Whatever we're learning about, you've always found a way to make it interesting. You taught me to ask for more when I felt I wasn't being challenged enough. The fact that I've been able to get into med school, all thanks to you. It's really hard to fall short of the expectation that I put for myself, and you have always reminded me that it is okay to do that. Bio was so much challenging, but your support was the reason we got through it. You've been an absolutely encouraging and supporting person that I've ever had in my life. You've faced incredible challenges in your own life and always somehow bring the best self to the class, and you have never failed to teach and inspire us every single day. So to sum it up, I just wanted to thank you for being such an amazing teacher. Your discipline and dedication has truly been an inspiration to all of us. Thank you for being the best principal we could ever ask for. Have a wonderful birthday. Wishing you good health, good life, and you deserve all the happiness in the world. You have motivated us in every possible way.
A very wonderful good morning to our dearest principal. First of all, I would like to wish you a very happy birthday. I, Salma, being the student of 2016-17 batch, would express my gratitude to you, ma'am. Though our presents are not in school, but we always think about our school and we remember our dearest principal and her birthday. Once we were seeds
and God wanted us to sow in a beautiful land known as Karmal Jyoti School, for which you were the owner of it. You took good care of us with our valuable teachers. You helped us to showcase our skills and abilities by providing us a beautiful environment. At last, I would say that our words are less when compared to the great contribution that you made in our life. Once again, a very happy birthday to you, ma'am.
Great principal, an unparalleled mentor, an enthusiastic teacher. You have played all the roles in the utmost perfection. I wish you a very happy birthday to you, ma'am. I hope your special day brings you a lot of happiness, joy, fun, for you deserve the very best. Thank you, ma'am.
You have always inspired me in many ways. I wish you all the love and happiness on this special day of yours. Happy 70th birthday, ma'am.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday to the most charming and the most beautiful principal, that is Arosha Shikara ma'am. So happy birthday ma'am. So having a principal like you is surely a blessing to us. So I feel very grateful to be a student of Kamal High School for 13 years. You have been a truly inspiration to many of us. Your bio classes, your care towards the nature, like making a garden in our school, and then your moral values, and there are many things which inspire us. Like what we are today, it's all because of Kamal High School. It's all because of you, ma'am. So we feel very lucky to be a student of Kamal High School. So once again, happy birthday, ma'am. And lastly, thank you so much for everything.
Hello everybody. Hello ma'am. I hope everybody are safe. Many more happy returns of the day, ma'am. Keep inspiring your students. Keep supporting them. Thanks for your love. Thanks for your support, ma'am. We really miss you, ma'am. We love you. We miss your classes. We miss your scoldings. Really, we had a great time in Karmal Jyoti School, ma'am. We carrying lots and lots of memories from the school, from the teachers. We love you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to the most wonderful headmistress I have ever seen. I'm very proud that I was a student of Karmal Jyoti High School for 7 years. The way you were teaching was really fantastic, ma'am. The way you supported us for studies and other curricular activities like sports, cultural activities, it's all really good, ma'am. You made our school days very memorable. You made us what we are now. I'm very thankful for that. Once again, happiest birthday to you, ma'am.
Jyoti Priyavi, batch 2017-18. I joined the school in 2007. On this auspicious 70th birthday, I wish you a very happy birthday, ma'am. May all your dreams come true. I'm very much privileged to thank you for everything you did. First of all, I thank you for all your support rendered for 11 years of my school life. You took great care and inspired me to do my best. I learned in one gentle and grateful person, that is you. Thank you, ma'am. You haven't been just a principal or a teacher to us. You are a mentor and a guide in every walk of our lives. You made me feel safe enough to ask a question that I wasn't sure. Thank you for your support and encouragement, ma'am. I feel very lucky to be a part of the school and to experience your approach with compassionate and persistent throughout. Thank you, ma'am. Happy birthday.
Hi ma'am, hope you remember us. We are so proud of you because as a lady, as a woman, 35 years in one institution ನಡೆಸಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ it is not so easy.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ತುಂಬ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ತುಂಬ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ ಜೊತೆನೂ ತುಂಬ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಆ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಮೆಮೊರೀಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾವು ಖಂಡಿತ ಸೋಲ್ತೀವಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ವಿ ವರ್ ಸೋ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಸ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಆಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೀಚರ್.
We are so glad to wish you on your 70th birthday. Always keep smiling, ma'am. Wish you many more happy returns.
I hope you are having a great day. I just wanted to thank you for being such a great teacher for our batch. You have inspired me, not only me, but all of us, to make the situation better and better whatever we do. You have taught the situation to make better and better. You also treated us equally. You have not only taught us the things which belongs to our books, but also the things and the lessons which come in our daily lives. You not only support us in education, but also for extracurricular activities such as sports, culture, and etc. Finally, I wanted to thank you for being such a great teacher, and I am proud to call myself.
Happy birthday to you. You are kind and considerate. You are supportive and firm in your instructions. You are inspiring and encouraging to us, not only in the field of education but also in the sports and cultural activities. From the past 13 years, I have seen you working really very hard for our bright future. We won't let you down this year. We will work hard to get good results in the board exams. Thank you, ma'am. Wishing you a happy birthday once again.
Ma'am, you are a great principal who deserves this grandest of celebrations. And I would like to celebrate this not so it's courteous, but I sincerely wish to see this. And your leadership means so much to me, and you make us smile every day. And thinking that you are there in this school to make this school a great place for teaching and learning. And I keep all these thoughts in my mind, and I would like to say a happiest birthday to you, ma'am. And I hope this year would bring you a lot of happiness, joy, and health.
Hello, ma'am. Hope you remember me. Hope this message finds you at your best of your health. This is your dear student Javeri Anwar, who is now Dr. Javeri Anwar, dental surgeon and a certified practitioner of endodontics and aesthetic dentistry. And right now, I am a dental head at VK Hospitals, Bangalore. On behalf of all your dear students, with immense pride and heart full of gratitude, want to wish the world's bestest principal a happy birthday. Ma'am, they say that a teacher's impact stays till eternity, and nobody can tell till when the effect is going to last. You held our hand, opened our mind, and touched our heart. Thank you so much for your endless guidance and never giving up on us, ma'am. You, beneath the image of a strict principal, there was a lady who desired nothing but the bestest future for all her students, and who who did all her duties with the utmost perfection, according to me. Ma'am, a lady who defines positivity, who defines strength, who not just empowered self but a lot of other women, and inspired many girls just like me. Ma'am, I believe the words are less when I try to describe or when I try to express my feelings, what I have for you. You're an inspiration for me. I feel there are a few lines that I wrote for you, that she wore her scars as her best attire, a dress made of hellfire. She stood so strong that nobody could shake her, yet so tender and fierce to build her own empire. Ma'am, this world deserves more and more women like you. You are an inspiration. And today we celebrate you. Not because it's a courtesy, but because we wish to see a smile on your face on this special day. I hope my message sends in that smile for you. Happiest birthday, ma'am.
बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू
Happy birthday Shashi Aji. Stay blessed with lots of love Niva.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु